So thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce. My name is Savjot Singh. I am from Mohali, Punjab. I did my BTech in Civil Engineering from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters in Highway Engineering from Punjab Engineering College, and I'm also been employed as a junior engineer in public health in Chandigarh Housing Board since the last year. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so currently you are working there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what are your roles and responsibilities currently?
I am in public health division. So basically, it's the repair and maintenance of water meters in Dhanas and Maloya colony of Chandigarh, and weekly field surveillance is done by the junior technicians if there is any problem being reported of water leakage in the pipes.
Hmm. Okay, all right. And after that, what is your plan? You're preparing for PPSC AE basically.
Yes,
Officer
ma'am.
student, right?
हाँ जी मैम.
Okay, okay. Okay. So why you have started preparing like that? मतलब आपने क्या सोचा? Like you want to grow like that? क्या?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, ma'am, it is at a higher post than my current job, and further, the environment is also a very relevant and hot topic. So I wanted to contribute towards the Punjab state, as the pollution levels are already at an alarming rate in the Punjab.
Okay, all right. So what are the roles and responsibility of assistant engineer?
Ma'am, basically, it has two wings. The environment wing is related to the pollution control board, so it has to check the pollution related to the Water Act, Air Act, Environment Act, and also the Punjab Plastic Carry Bag Act. And the Science and Technology Department has to deal with the agriculture and the technology wing, and uh, also to develop some non-conventional sources and renewable sources of energy, such as hydel power plants, and to maximize the energy conservation and management.
Okay. What are your hobbies, Sabjo?
Ma'am, basically it is sports and cooking.
Okay, cooking and which sports do you like to play?
Ma'am, cricket.
Cricket. And cooking, what kind of dishes you used to make or like that?
Ma'am, mostly Indian dishes like normal Indian food.
Okay. And tell me why cooking is important, necessary skill for all of us.
Cooking is basically a necessity, like we saw in lockdown also, like we should know how to basically cook in case of emergency, or even in some situation where the person is alone, he should be like able to cook at least normal food for himself.
Okay. All right. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are like I'm very hardworking, dedicated, and honest. I've also have good leadership qualities, and my weakness is that I'm a little bit short tempered.
Okay, a little bit short tempered. Okay. Then how would you remove this weakness from yourself? Like if it would be short tempered, then how would you manage this?
I'm working on it. Basically, it is just case specific. Like if I see a person doing work dishonestly or not doing the work allotted to him properly, in that case only, not in general day-to-day tasks.
Okay. So it can be genuine reason as well. It's not like that always a person is not willing to do work or is not supposed to do work basically. So will you go through with that concept or not?
Sorry, ma'am.
आप उसको देखोगे या नहीं देखोगे कंसेप्ट को कि अगर कोई बंदा काम नहीं कर रहा है तो वो जेन्युइनली नहीं कर रहा है या फिर उसको
No, ma'am.
जेन्युइनली
Yes, if like we worked in election duty, there was a in charge as a BLO supervisor. So there, if a BLO has genuine problem like a family issue or his child is not well or he has to go suddenly, so therefore there was a replacement guaranteed for that day. So not in that case, like if I find out that a BLO has just made an excuse and he doesn't want to do work, in that case, sometimes it happens.
All right. All right. So can you work anywhere in Punjab, basically?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you don't have any problem of like such kind of location or like that.
No, ma'am.
You're from Mohali, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you tell me about Mohali?
Basically, it is Sahibjata Jeet Singh Nagar, named in respect of Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji's son,
Hmm.
and it is also the largest densely populated district of Punjab.
Hmm. Okay. And I think it is also an industrial area.
Yes, ma'am. Industrial. It is also industrial focal point, ma'am.
Okay. So what kind of industries and businesses and firms have been set up in Mohali? Because there's
Ma'am,
a
basically these days the info or the like private companies are being set up. Like the tech related companies are being set up more in Mohali.
Okay. So to work in Mohali, is it safe?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And what do you say about the crime rate in Mohali?
Ma'am, crime rate is like some incidents have been reported of like snatching of chains and jewelry, but they have been not restricted to Mohali. They have been reported in Chandigarh in these prime areas of Sector 9 and 10 as well. So they are basically generalized. So Mohali is comparatively safe compared to other regions or districts of Punjab.
And basically, the people who have their firms and companies in Mohali,
Yes,
are they genuine or not?
they are genuine.
Like some of the things, number of cases have been we can see in the newspaper every day, which are basically in the focal point and industrial area of Mohali that people are not working genuinely there. Is it true?
Sorry, ma'am, I haven't read about it. I'll read about it, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Any famous or any beautiful place in Mohali?
In Mohali. Like a historical place or any place?
Any kind, any place.
There is a ma'am. There is a CP67 mall developed in Mohali just few years back, 1 2 years back. There is also a Chappar Chidi historic monument in Mohali,
Hmm.
and yes, ma'am, that's it. I can recall at the moment.
Okay, all right. Now, how you will be going to be contributing PPSC AE?
I'm basically like if I'm posted in the pollution control board, so I have to take steps towards implementing the norms and if to check if anybody is violating the standards set by the department. And if I'm posted in the science and technology wing, then I'll have to contribute towards developing the new agriculture developments, technologies, and the energy management and conservation measures.
Oh, fine. Okay. And have you like haven't you tried for any campus placement or like that? ये जो आपको basically वैसे package.
No, ma'am. During my college time, actually, I had an aim of doing a government job since my BTech. So
Okay.
firstly, I got this job after my BTech, and now I have applied for assistant environment.
All right. Give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Why should I select you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Why should I select you?
I think like I can make a genuine and hardworking attempt to solve the pollution problem in the pollution control board, and I am also very hardworking. So I think I can make a difference if I am selected.
All right. ठीक है. Okay, Sabjot, what I have found is
Yes, ma'am.
basically that is yeah, your hobby is good, cooking and sports basically, strengths and weaknesses are also fine, and yeah, you have given me good answers related to the PPSC A and all like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now thing is that good communication skills and good, but there's a little bit of Punjabi accent, like जो
Okay,
पंजाबी
ma'am.
का होता ही है, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not aware about that. You can speak Hindi, Punjabi, but yes, you can speak Hindi and English when you're going for the public sector. But if the examiner would making you comfortable in speaking Punjabi, so you can switch to Punjabi as well.
Okay.
Okay. But if you have good communications like skills of English, so you can remain in the English only. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
That is up to you. हाँ, कोई एग्जाम्पल देना है, कुछ करना है, तो यू कैन स्विच योर लैंग्वेज, नॉट अ
ठीक है.
प्रॉब्लम, राइट? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जो आपने आंसर्स बोले दैट इज गुड, तो मेरे को लगता है कि थोड़ा सा आपको अपने प्लेस के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा अलर्ट और अपडेट रहना है,
ठीक है मैम.
बिकॉज मोहाली चंडीगढ़ से बहुत दूर नहीं है, साथ में ही है,
यस.
ठीक है?
यस.
तो चंडीगढ़ वाले भी मोहाली जाते हैं और मोहाली वाले भी चंडीगढ़
हाँ
आते हैं,
जी.
तो वी ऑल्सो नो कि हाँ मोहाली में क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, कौन सा बेस्ट प्लेस है, नहीं है। एंड एग्जामिनर अगर आपको आसपास का ही मिलता है, मतलब मोहाली हो आप, आपका सेंटर वहीं आता है, यहीं कहीं भी कुछ कहीं भी आता है बेसिकली, तो उनको ज्यादा पता होता है।
ओके.
जैसे करप्शन बहुत ज्यादा है, खरड़ मोहाली एंड ये वाला जो एरिया है, बेसिकली यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रार मैडम है, तहसील वाले जो बेसिकली जो रजिस्ट्री करवाते हैं, एंड दे यूज टू लाइक टेक अ लॉट ऑफ like bribes and all like that for per registry। ये एग्जांपल्स थोड़े से मैं आपको जस्ट बता रही हूँ। तो ये
ठीक
जो
है.
कॉर्नर्स हैं, इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा अपडेट रहना होगा,
ठीक है मैम.
ठीक है? वाटर पोल्यूशन, और जिस भी प्रोजेक्ट पे आप काम कर रहे हो, भी करंटली आपका आई थिंक हाउसिंग बोर्ड पे आया हुआ है, धनास एंड मलोया जो कॉलोनी है वहां पर, राइट?
ठीक है.
दैट इज आई थिंक 38 वाला है चंडीगढ़ में, धनास एंड
हाँ जी मैम. 38 वेस्ट. यस.
हाँ 38 पे, तो आपको ये प्रॉपरली पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, जो इंडस्ट्रियल फोकल पॉइंट है आपके कहाँ का, दैट इज योर या मोहाली, ठीक है?
मोहाली.
जो भी आपका 8 फेस है, 6 फेस है, जहाँ पे भी है, बेसिकली यू नीड टू नो अबाउट कि वहाँ पे कितनी ज्यादा फॉर्म्स और किस किस टाइप का सबसे ज्यादा काम होता है। वहाँ
ठीक
पे
है मैम.
जेन्युइन और इनजेन्युइन दोनों टाइप के काम होते हैं, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। ऐसी कोई फर्म, ऐसा कोई कंपनी, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो आपका है बेसिकली, जिस जो आपका फील्ड है, वो वहां पे सेटअप है या नहीं है, ये सारी चीजें भी आपको पता होनी चाहिए।
ठीक है.
क्लियर? ठीक है। हाँ, बाकी सब ठीक है, कम्युनिकेशन इज गुड एंड गुड थिंग इज दैट आर आंसरेबल टू एवरी क्वेश्चन, मतलब आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो। पर मेरे को लगता है कि कुछ आंसर्स में आप बीच में रह जाते हो, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे पूछा कि आपको पता है ऐसा, तो उन्होंने बोला यस मैम मुझे पता है। अब क्या पता है, कैसे पता है, आपको वो बताना पड़ेगा,
ओके.
राइट? अनटिल और अनलेस आप एक्सप्लेन नहीं करोगे, मुझे नहीं पता,
ठीक है.
ठीक है? इस चीज का अपने थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है प्रॉपरली।
ठीक है.
अभी के लिए सारा ठीक है, बेसिकली अभी आपको ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से रिलेटेड थोड़ी सी नॉलेज और गेन करनी है। थोड़ा सा
ठीक है.
अपना जो एक्सेंट है, अगर आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो तो फिर प्रॉपरली इंग्लिश ही होनी चाहिए, मतलब आपका एक्सेंट फिर पंजाबी नहीं आना चाहिए,
ठीक है.
ठीक है? अगर आप लैंग्वेज स्विच कर रहे हो तो यू कैन स्विच, यहाँ पर आप प्योरली वही बोलो, लाइक
ठीक है.
ठीक है? इट कैन बी डन बेसिकली। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, हाँ ठीक है,
ठीक
उसके
है.
बाद आप फिर से मुझे एक बार लेक्चर दे देना।
ठीक है मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
चलो।